Trump and Giorgia Meloni talked up about the chances of a trade deal between the United States and Europe as the Italian Prime Minister Meloni visited the Washington. Also, there will be a trade deal 100%, Trump said, but it will be a fair deal, while Meloni said that she was sure that they could reach an agreement later, adding that her aim was to make the West great again. Also, Meloni is the first European leader to visit the Washington since the Trump imposed the then paused 20% tariff on the now imports of the bloc. Also, the pair have also enjoyed a good relationship, and the Italian leader hopes to position herself as the bridge between the European Union and the United Nations amid the fractured relationship and the mounting concerns and tension about the global impact of the Trump's tariff policies. Also, at the press conference on Thursday, following their conversation, the leader said that they had discussed defending spending and immigration and tariff systems. The atmosphere in the Oval Office appeared relaxed and good-natured, similar to the reception of the UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer receiving during her visit on the White House in February. Also, however, Meloni's aides have described that the visit as a commercial peace mission following the Trump's decision to impose a 10% baseline tariff on almost all the foreign imports to the United States. He has strongly criticized the European Union on trade, claiming it was formed to screw the United States. A 20% retaliatory tariff on the European Union has been temporarily suspended until July. Meloni previously called the tariffs absolutely wrong and said that they would end up damaging the European Union as much as the United States. While they didn't score any tangible wins on the tariff during the meeting, she did convince Trump to accept an invitation to visit Rome, which she said would be an occasion for him to meet other European leaders as well. Also, given the fraught relation between the European Union and the United States, Meloni will likely chalk that up in a significant win, particularly if the Trump agrees to meet the president of the European Commission, that is Ursula von der Leyen, during the visit. Also, Meloni will return to Europe with the stronger credentials of the so-called Trump whisperer, also something that will be reinforced when she meets the United States Vice President J.D. Vance in the Rome tomorrow. The Italian leader was careful to praise Trump and align herself with the United States president's viewpoints. Also, in her statement following the meeting, she criticized woke ideology and championed the war against the illegal migration.